I got some country ham. You know, it's kind of that real American stuff. Has a little salt, and it has that kind of that funky smell. I love that. I cut some of that up, and I'm just going to add some of that in a little skillet, folks. A little bit of butter. Oh, yeah, babe. We're just going to kind of warm it up a little bit. We don't have to cook it a lot because, you know, the one thing about country ham is that it's a little salty. That's why I'm not adding any salt. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. And then we're going to taste the whole batter in a second. Speaking about batter, 1 egg, buttermilk. Oh, yeah. If I was like a piece of ham or a chicken, I would fill my pool up with buttermilk. You know what I mean? Just, what a beautiful thing. Just splashing in a wave of buttermilk. Now, gonna mix this up a little bit. Try to get all of the egg mixed with the buttermilk, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of essence. So that's there. Now, in this one here, I've got flour, baking powder. That's what's going to make it poofy. It's the leavening agent. And then you got to always, they're always trying to trick you. Is it salt or sugar? Hate when that happens. That would be sugar. Yeah, try to fool you. Oh, these pancakes are really good. Oh, it was salt. Oh. Thought it was the country ham. So we're going to put all the dry ingredients in here, folks. Mix them up. Now we're going to add the wet to the dry. And we want to have a nice consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. Let's see what we get here. Well, I think we could probably live with that. We don't want it any thicker, but I don't think we want it any thinner. All right, look. Country ham, bring the flavor out a little bit. See, it's happening right now. Flavors are just popping left, right. We're going to add that country ham right in here. Shh, don't tell anybody. I'll be doing it on that other show. You know which one I mean. Now, let's sort of fold this in a little bit. Smells good, huh? I know. You know, it's a pork fat thing. Here, listen, I'm going to use a griddle. And you should always keep your griddle pretty oiled, you know? That way, you know, people complain one of the biggest things that cast iron or the griddle, that it rusts. The reason why it's doing that is because you're washing it, you're not drying it properly, and then when you do that, you have to get a little oil and just sort of oil it like this. So now we're going to make some pancakes, folks. See, and that country ham is in there. You know, you could put some onion, too. Onion would be good, too. Oh, yeah. Some chili peppers would be good if you want to, you know, if you really want to blow the roof off, you know. Our country ham and cornmeal pancakes are on the griddle. And what I got, as I said to you, I got a little 100% pure cane syrup. Oh, yeah, this is real good. Pure, natural. Love when they say all those nice things. This is really good stuff called Steens. What I did is I'm bringing some up in a little saucepan, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it, at least for my pancakes. Now, let's move these over a little bit. Our griddle is like coming alive. So, now, figured we'd do a few eggs. if you want sunny side up, you don't flip this now. You just let it cook. You're going to need to lower the heat a little bit more so that the albumin will get eventually to the egg yolk and it'll cook it. You with me so far? Over easy. That would be in the sunny side stage, flipped over once, and then maybe counting to about 15 seconds so that the heat is sort of shielding that, and that would be over easy. Over medium, give it another minute. Over hard, just leave it on there. Try reading the paper before breakfast. So there you have it, okay? I'm going over now from the sunny side to the over easy. And then let me show you how I kind of like this southern breakfast for myself. Now, first thing we're going to finish, we're going to take a little bit of butter. Going to put it inside of the syrup. Yeah, why mess around, right? You're going to butter the pancakes, then you're going to syrup the pancakes. Why not just have a buttery syrup, right? Oh, yeah, it's already happening right here already. For me, it's kind of like this. One nice pancake in the center. My nice egg over to the sides. Just a little bit of cheese, whatever kind of cheese that you like, right? And then we take the buttery steamed syrup. Few little chives. Hey, that's a breakfast of champions right there.